I wish I could fall in love with you another day. I'm missing a couple.
Hey guys, welcome back to our night routine 2021.
It's been a while since we last filmed our night routine, and our night routine has pretty much changed, and we were not making videos because
of the fact that our exams were going on and they weren't allowing us to do anything, so our life was like stopped and we couldn't like film anything and like update you guys on Instagram. So now we are back on Instagram too, so if you aren't following us there,
make sure to do so. We'll add the @the right here. And
so yes, without any further ado, let's get started with the night routine. So guys, we turned the projector on as well as the LED lights, and this whole room is looking so vibey and aesthetic. So that is the first thing that we do at night, because of the fact that at daytime you cannot like use these kind of things and lights. So yes, this is kind of night thing that we do so that we can relax, because like this setup is so aesthetic and you guys can see this is a whole vibe. So that is it. Hey guys, so currently we are about to watch something on Netflix. Usually we watch Netflix with our brother and our mom because they love to watch seasons or movies with us, but because of the fact that we came from shopping and it was really stressful, kind of chaotic, because it was actually really crowded outside and we are really tired, so they want to rest. So we are gonna watch Netflix and you guys are gonna see us watch it. Netflix and chill. Yes, so yeah.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries, I ain't staying till the afternoon. I liked you in proximity, but now that's so far from the truth. I loved you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom.
So we finished the movie and just watched it. It was really nice, like it was actually really nice. So it was similar to that Disney movie which was like Big Hero 6. So that movie is like one of our favorite, but like this movie was also really good, but kind of similar to that one. So definitely recommend you guys to watch this movie. It was like next gen. The ending was a little sad but good as well. So now we're gonna eat our dinner because we are super hungry. Are we?
yes, we are.
So just took some thumbnails with this laptop and now we are gonna shut it down because of course no need to keep it on for so long. Hey guys, so we are back after dinner and yeah, I feel a lot more energetic, to be honest, and the shopping trip was really tiring for us. I don't know why we are so like weird that even a shopping trip can drain all of our energy, but now we feel energetic enough. So yeah, we're gonna continue filming, not leaving you guys alone. Guys, we are back. We did the dinner and we also filled this water bottle because we are cactus and we don't drink water. So this will help us to stay hydrated because your skin should be clear, and clear skin should be because of this clear water. So clear skin, clear water. Stay hydrated. Actually don't know what I just said, but I said it. Hey guys, so now we're gonna plan out our day. Not today because it's ending, so we cannot plan today. We are gonna plan tomorrow as well as videos for you guys, like YouTube videos, what we are gonna do, the content, what we're gonna make. So yes, we are going to be doing that. Maybe she's gonna plan, now I'm gonna relax. So
Okay,
let's do whatever we want to do.
Used to cry alone at night, tears had to stay in my eyes, but with you it's like I never felt that way. Phone's been ringing 20 times, I don't seem to mind, cause you're bothering me in the best way. I can be a fool for the little things you do to get a hold of me. Chocolate and roses on a Wednesday night, this feels alright. Oh, baby, I love you
So I'm done with the planning and I have the iPad right here, and I'm done with the planning, and now it's time for me to upload a picture on our Instagram. So I'm gonna do that. So you guys cannot see, but okay, can you guys? No, you cannot. But this is the photo we are, yeah, you guys can know. So this is the photo we are uploading right now, and yeah, you guys should totally check our Instagram out. I'm gonna keep uploading. So as you guys saw, we uploaded the picture, and now we are gonna listen to some music because in order to relax, we sometimes do listen to music at night. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna go to Spotify and listen to some amazing music. So let's just do this. And comment down below what you do at night usually.
Got myself up in the backseat, driving to you on the back streets. All the other ones are asking, but I don't give a fuck.
Hey guys, so now it's time for us to do our skincare routine. So it's actually, what time is it? 11:36. It is 11:36 and we're gonna do our skincare routine. It's not a big like skincare routine. We don't like to apply a lot of products, so it's like a 3-step routine. Firstly, we use this micellar water to actually remove our makeup. This is by Garnier, and for oily and acne prone skin, I don't know if it does work or not because the water literally seems to be the same. Anyways, we also ordered this niacinamide ordinary serum. Before this we were using like another serum, but as you all know that our exams were going on and we couldn't do our skincare routine that much, so we weren't like following it religiously. But now we are going to be following the skincare routine and using this serum. So this is the ordinary niacinamide and zinc serum. Probably you guys have seen it like 200 million times on TikTok and on like YouTube, Instagram, every single where. So that is why we got it, because of the hype. So we're gonna just apply it and do our skincare routine. So yes. So now I'm gonna apply this Vaseline. So we're gonna apply this, and the skincare routine is done. Done, guys. So we are done with our skincare now, and we're gonna go to bed and scroll through Instagram and watch some YouTube videos, because that's what we do at night because we don't have anything to do, of course. We are night owls, so we're gonna just go and watch some YouTube, scroll through Instagram. So okay guys, so we are on our bed right now, and you guys know what we are going to be doing. We are going to be using our phone and watching some YouTube videos. So yes.
Oh, listen, honey, if I told you about the way that I felt, yeah, I wouldn't waste a minute if I had you all to myself. We'd be walking in the moonlight.
Hey guys, so now we are super tired and it's also like late, so we're gonna sleep, and that was it for our routine.
Yes, it's just pretty simple and we don't do a lot of stuff, so of course we are going to be ending this routine right now.
So yes, sometimes we do like draw on our iPad on Procreate, but like right now it's
Like
not the day because I don't know why I'm like super tired. That can be because we went for shopping, so that was really hectic. But yes, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, so make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel down below. Turn the notification bells on so you'll be notified every time we post a new video, and we'll catch you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out.
Wanna be false, I pretend we're picture perfect.